make money online with email marketing, then you're going to want to watch this video. If you're just curious to know what email marketing is because you've heard about it, I'm going to explain what it is and how you can make money from it. But before I get into that, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and if you guys are new here, what my channel is about is I provide you guys with valuable content and different methods that can help you make money online. So I just want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and hit the bell notifications so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So let me start off by asking you guys a question. Have you ever bought something online from a major brand store? Somewhere like Nike, Walmart, Best Buy, Target? If you have, which I'm guessing most of you have, you've probably seen their little pop-up ad on their website where they offer you the option to sign up to their newsletter to receive updates, coupons, special promotions that they're having in exchange for your email. Anything that will encourage you to sign up to their newsletter. I receive emails all the time from these companies where they send me emails for new sales, coupons, promotions that they're having. Why do they do this? In order to get you to buy more products and have a repeat customer. This is what email marketing is. People don't realize the power of email marketing. If you're delivering value in all of your emails, people are going to want to read your emails. Maybe not every single one of them, but people are going to connect with you if they feel like you're delivering a valuable message to them. And they're going to start to see you as somebody that they can trust. So I'm going to be talking about how to get started with email marketing. So as you can see right here, to get started, the first thing you're going to need is a lead magnet. So what is lead magnet? I've talked about these in past videos I've done, but it's simply a free offer that you're going to give to somebody in exchange for their email. So this can be a video, a free ebook, or a free survey, something like that. So just keep in mind this is going to be a free offer that your target audience is going to see or is going to receive when they submit their email. The next thing you're going to want to do is pick an email service provider right here. So the three I can think of off the top of my head are going to be GetResponse, SendLane, and MailChimp. You guys can check out each of these websites if you're interested. Some of these offer a free trial versions, but you're going to want to use the paid version in order to get access to tools that you're going to need in this process. The second thing when you sign up with the email service provider is you're going to want to create a list. So when you create a list, people who sign up with their email are all going to be on this list. So the next thing you're going to want to do is set up an autoresponder. So what an autoresponder is automated emails that people on your list are going to receive when they sign up. So all of these automated emails are going to be written out beforehand by you. So the next thing you're going to want to do is create a landing page. So this is where people are going to be redirected to submit their email in exchange for your lead magnet. So say for example in this video, you're in the relationship niche and your lead magnet is a free survey for a personality test, for example. So you can find the person you're most compatible with. That's going to be your lead magnet, and when people click on the link, it's going to take them to a landing page where they're going to submit their email in exchange to take your free survey. And now, once they do this, they're on your list. And when this person is on your list, they're going to receive your autoresponder emails. So it's very important to deliver value in all of the emails that you're sending out to your email list. So like I mentioned earlier, for example of this video, let's say you're in the relationship niche. You can send out an email, just something as simple as 10 do's and don'ts on a first date, something like that. That's related to your niche, that people are going to want to read because it's delivering value and because you're solving a problem that they're having. And make sure in all of your emails you deliver a call to action. A call to action is simply like closing a sale. Something as easy as saying click here to get started, or click the link to solve your problem. Whatever best fits with your product that you're promoting and your niche. So if you're promoting an online dating course which will help somebody find their significant other, if that's the niche you're focusing on, you can just simply add value in your emails and in your call to action, or just simply saying something like, If you're tired of being lonely and looking for the right person, then click here. And that's how you make money with email marketing. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. And if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you guys think. And if you guys are interested in learning how to make money online, I'm going to leave a link in the description below and you guys can go check that out. And if you guys want to see an example of a landing page, you guys can click the other link in the description for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. That's going to redirect you to a landing page where you can submit your email address and also get a free ebook download where you can learn how to decide what niche you want to promote and what platforms you can use to promote your affiliate products. I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.